This piece is called March. It's by Mary Armistead Jones, and it's found in Fanfare and other piano pieces. When you're starting this piece, it is important from the beginning to think of the articulation and to learn each part separately so that you feel comfortable with the hand position and the movement. So for instance, in the left hand, we have a staccato, so I'm letting the key come up. Notice I'm staying in that hand position and I'm not playing it full tempo. The fingering suggests that you move over. Do that, and now this note should feel to the right to getting over to here. There's a special fingering here. It works really well to keep it staccato. Then we switch again to B flat and A flat. And then we have a switch taking it to the thumb, and right from there you take it over for a second to a third, to a fourth, to F sharp, F natural, back to what feels like the beginning. We have an ostinato. This should continue, so add the right hand at this point so you feel the motion going on. And this is an octave lower, you may not see that. All right, now the right hand starts in the C position. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you do that replacement so you can reach this with a nice roll off. 2, 3, 4. That's where your thumb goes. Don't be afraid to move. And float off to middle C. Make those G's go forward. Or rest. Then tie. And tie. Feel it going forward. To tie. To tie. And float off. Subito seems to be quieter. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Left hand is now doing this, so the right hand continues. Bring the left hand in at this point, and then continue. 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. Here's the end. So when you're working on this piece, you do want to work on the hands separately, getting not only the notes and the fingering, but the articulation and the phrasing before you begin to put the hands together. When you do, you want to do them in small bits. For instance, you may want to do this amount. I did a little bit of I went into that measure because I wanted to practice the movement. So that would be my first section. And then the next section I would work on. Watch, I'll do the crossover. That's the next section. The next section I'd work on is... to there, and then the next section and then the next section final section. Have fun learning this piece.